Welcome to the video lecture series on transportation engineering. In this session, we shall discuss on the numerical to determine the length of the different categories of roads with one example. So the statement is as follows. The area of a certain district in India is 13,400 square kilometers and there are 12 towns as per the 1981 census. So determine the length of the different categories of roads to be provided in the district by the year 2001. So to determine the length of the different categories of the roads as per the third road plan, first we'll have to calculate the length of the national highway in kilometers. So to calculate it, we'll have to divide the total area of the district by 50 as per the recommendations of the third road plan. There should be provision of at least 1 kilometer length of the road, that is the national highway, per 50 kilometers square of an area. Hence, to determine the national highway, the length of the national highway, we have to divide the total area of the district by 50. So the area, it works out to be as 268 kilometers. Next, we will have to calculate the length of the state highway. So in order to calculate the length of the state highway, first by the area method, here we will have to divide the total area of the district by 25 as there should be the provision of at least 1 kilometer length of the state highway per 25 kilometers square of an area as per the recommendations of the third road plan. So the total length of the state highway will be equals to 536 kilometers by the area method. Second, by the area and the number of towns method. So here we'll have to multiply 62.5, that is the total length of the addition of the national highway and the state highway, multiply by 12. 12 is the number of towns, minus 13400 divided by 50, that is the length of the national highway. As in this case, 62.5 multiplied by 12 will give us the total length of the national highway and the state highway. So substituting the national highway, we get the length of the state highway. Next, considering both by the area method and the area and the town method, we will have to adopt or select the length of the state highway whichever is greater. Hence, here the length of the state highway selected will be 536 kilometers. Next, we will have to find out the length of the major district road in the district. So first, by the area method, now dividing the area of the district by 12.5, that is nothing but 1 kilometer length of major district road per 12.5 kilometers square of an area. This is again the recommendation for the major district road as per the third road plan. So the length of the major district road will be 1072 kilometers. And by the second method, that is by the number of towns. So here MDR will be equals to 90 into 12, that equals to 1080 kilometers. So here we'll have to provide the length of the major district road higher of the two categories. Hence, MDR will be equals to 1072 and 1080, comparing the both. So 1080 kilometers. Now next is to calculate the total length of all categories of roads. So here, as per the recommendations of the third road plan, we'll have to assume the overall density of road length equal to 82 kilometers per 100 kilometer square of an area by the end of the year 2001. So hence National Highway plus State Highway plus Major District Road plus Honorary District Road plus the Village Road will be equals to 13400 multiply by 82 divided by 100. 82 is the density of the road per 100 km square of an area. So the total length of all categories of roads will be equals to 10988 kilometers. Again, length of National Highway plus State Highway plus the Major District Road will be equals to 268. That is the length of the National Highway plus 536 length of the State Highway plus 1080, that is the length of the Major District Road. It comes out to be 1884 kilometers. Now here again we'll have to also calculate the length of Ordinary District Road plus the Village Roads. So that will be equals to the greater of the two, that is 10,988 minus 1884, that is the length of the National Highway plus State Highway plus Major District Road. We get the length of the ODR, that is Ordinary District Road and Village Road, as 9104 kilometer. So here we have found out the length of all the types of or all the categories of the roads. With this, we come to end of this particular session. Thank you.